and today I will be showing you how to do a DIY quarantine kids birthday party. So if you want to know more, stay tuned. For today's project, we'll be needing paper, cardstock paper. We'll also be needing bags, flowers, some tulle, some glitter, some glue, some scissors, some glue sticks, a marker, a black marker, your glue gun, and also some trace shapes. I've also drawn out the unicorn, how I want it to look, and I'll be gluing on some flowers to the unicorn because this is going to be a unicorn birthday party for a little girl.
About me and you, things we used to do, it's all in the past now. When I hear that song, I just wanna sing along. I know I don't belong with you anymore.
At this time, I will be adding the top of the unicorn, like the horn. I'll be adding that on, and I'm going to make that like a silver glitter. I want it to look like a silvery horn, so I'm adding glitter, and I'm adding glue, and then I'm adding glitter.
When I hear that song,
trace the unicorn shape that I have. I'm going to trace that and cut it out. So I have different types of colors. Now I'll be cutting some ribbon so that I can make the garland. This is going to be a garland that you can hang up. So I'll be adding the shapes that I cut out to the garland.
About me and you, things we used to do, it's all in the past now. When I hear that song, I just wanna sing along. I know I don't belong with you anymore.
And I will be using ribbon to add the shapes onto the garland. So I'm making a hole. I'm not doing it the right way because I can't find my hole punch. So I'm just making a hole with some scissors, putting the ribbon through the hole and adding it to the garland that way.
I just need that groove. Oh, my body needs to move. Don't get in my way now. No. When I hear that song, I just wanna sing along. I know I don't belong with you anymore. Ooh, and you wonder why.
with my garland. Well, I am finished with my garland. And I just gotta untangle it because it can get tangled easily. So just try to keep everything straight. But that's the way that it looks. And it could either go on a wall or it could go on a table. You could tape it to the table. For the next project, I will be making favor bags, with little toys that the kids can play with. So I'm doing my first bag. I'm going to add tulle to the bag. I'm going to glue it on. So right now I'm just cutting the tulle off, however much tulle that I'm going to need off. And I'm going to glue that on the bag. Some flowers also to the bag to give it a little more decor. to add to the bag as well.
I get buzz. It's out of my control. Out of my control. Out of my control. I do it for the music.
And I'm pretty much finished with my bag. I'm just putting glue in some spaces where it needs to be, and this is the end result. At this time, I will be showing you the pictures of the party once I was finished decorating. I'll show you how everything looked.